Hello again to one of our tutorials. This time we're going to have a tank shooting and moving around just a space like so background. We have a background here, again using this from the various backgrounds we given by Scratch, so it could have been anything, but that looks quite interesting. So that's the background. And we have two sprites. We have a tank and we have a bullet. Okay, so I'm just going to go through the script of the tank first. So we go to script, and what we have here is, well, we want the tank to go to the front, to stay sort of on top of the bullet. So the bullet that he's going to fire is sort of underneath. We start the game pointing towards the right, and we have located it in the position X47 and Y60. It could have been any other position, but that's where it is. We then have a forever loop, mostly for the tank movement. So we have the left arrow. If it's pressed, it turns 2 degrees to the left, so 3 degrees to the left, the same to the right, and then we have the up arrow moves forward and the down arrow moves back. So here's the movement of the tank. It goes forward, back, and to the sides. Okay, so that's the tank. That's quite straightforward. The bullet. So he fires a bullet, and until the bullet disappears, then you can't fire another bullet. So this is not quite rapid fire, but when this space bar is pressed, the bullet is pointing in the direction of the tank. It shows the bullet, and then it moves repeatedly until it gets to the edge. Once it gets to the edge, it hides and goes back to the tank. So the bullet goes back to the tank. So here's some firing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's move around a little bit. Does it move and shoot? There you are. There you are. You can see a little bit that the shooting is slightly off sometimes, depending on whether the tank has moved a bit. It has not quite updated the position. But here it is. And then there's more shooting. Obviously a little sort of, it's a little glitch, but nothing too difficult for you to fix. So that's shooting. So I hope you have enjoyed this very little tutorial.